Hello, in front of me I've got VIVO Y22S. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter security and go to screen lock. As you can see right here, we've got 5 types of screen locks: none, swipe, pattern, pin and password. Firstly, let's select none, and we are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. Now let's select swipe, then let's select pin, complex password, and in the end pattern. When it's done, we can go to fingerprint, and now we have to simply scan our fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the power button. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done, and it's set. In the end we can set up face unlock. Simply enter face and scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.